rub on your breast and she said yes. Now baby girl, it's on. Pull over your phone, do it all night long, do it right, and I might put you in my next song.
Make sure you subscribe, turn on the post notifications, and make sure you thumbs up the video and leave a comment. What's up, y'all? It's your boy KJ. It is, what's today? Today is, what's today? Today's Wednesday. I think today Wednesday, but I know today is the 20th of November. And excuse me. I'm about to do basically a mukbang to tell y'all what's going on with me. I am in Cali. I'm not in New York no more. I'm going to be having some Jack in the Box. It's this meal that's basically a cheddar cheeseburger. This mug look good as fuck. I'm finna tear it down. I got my drink. Jack in the Box. It's a Sprite. I got my fries. Basically, I got some ketchup too. So basically, let me tell y'all what's going on. As of right now, I'm in a Lyft car. Lyft has this program. If you put down $250 and you have a good driver record, that's deemed we can rent a car from you. But right now, I've been doing Lyft, but over here in Cali, I can't do it right now because I don't have the proper license. Henceforth, I gotta give the car back. And also, I left New York because it's cold as hell back at home. Now, for those who may be asking, if this nigga got a car, you ain't homeless. Well, I am homeless. So that means because I gotta get his car up, I'm gonna be back living on the street. And so that means y'all gonna be getting me outside taping if it's like deemed possible. I just want to start collabing with people. I had 2 interviews. Basically, interview for the same thing with 2 different companies. Working for a third party delivering goods for Amazon. Make sure y'all comment down below if y'all have had this cheddar cheeseburger before. And it's alright. It tastes like they didn't season it all. What else? What else been going on with me? It's been a minute since I've been on here. I drove from New York to California. Me and my buddy, he not here right now, but I drove by myself. He was a big help too. Maybe I'll introduce him whenever I come across him again. So hopefully I'll be working within the next week or so. What else? I'm just ready to get off these streets. Indefinitely. Okay, now look, this is the thing. I'm always traveling, but I love the East and the West Coast, but I love the West in California, and I love the East with New York. Now the South will most definitely be Georgia. I lived there for years before. It's better real juicy, y'all. Like I said, it's not seasoning. It has lettuce, mayo, toasted bun, tomato, bacon, cheddar cheese. I'm gonna throw some mustard and ketchup on this mug. And I'm gonna throw some salt up on there. I want y'all to leave me below if y'all been watching any of my other videos. And I also want to know what kind of content y'all want to see, because I got to get this page to popping. You know, we only at 86. Let's get up to 200 subs. I want to grow this page, y'all. And make sure y'all go to my channel's page. Make sure you guys go and subscribe. It may not be a lot of content on there. Just bear with me. Just subscribe. I will be putting new content. Make sure y'all follow my fitness page, Fit with King, FITWITKIIN9. That is going to be lit. So next week I'll be starting that. I should be starting my new job next week too. So I'm gonna start trying to get that content out to y'all most definitely. Just bear with me, please. I really want to do this YouTube thing full time. I want to do this full time. And what else? I just want to be serious. Like I said, you don't know when you're leaving off this earth. And I just want to be impactful. I'm going to start back doing music for y'all. Make sure y'all subscribe to my music page. Even though those are old music, I'm gonna try my best to put y'all some videos to it. Finances ain't what they used to be, but I'm gonna get there. Make sure y'all follow me on all of my social medias. I got Twitter, Tumblr, Facebook. Go like our pages. What else I got Snapchat. Make sure y'all read my bios. Do some reaction to my videos. Go look at my old videos. But I'm gonna be going back to nursing school, God willing. A lot of people don't know I wanted to be a doctor growing up. Let me know where y'all from. How did y'all find this page? And make sure y'all share this on y'all, on all of y'all social media. Share me on Twitter. Check out my music on SoundCloud. Let's see, I want to interact with y'all, okay? When y'all leave me questions, comments, and concerns, what y'all want to talk about, I'm gonna holler back at you. Just give me some time, Royal Gang. I love y'all. Make sure y'all thumbs up this video. Let's get this up to 25 likes. Turn on your post notifications. Become a part of the notification squad. I love y'all.